Good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today an important session for those who are preparing for commerce related interview. I hope in NVS, KVS interviews, these particular interviews would definitely be fruitful to you, and I hope you would be enjoying both channels, PD classes and to guide. You'll be learning lot many videos regarding NVS, KVS, even army public school teachers. So first of all, Harbir, I welcome you.
थैंक यू सर।
हरबीर, हमारे पास रेखा मैडम है यहाँ पर जो
Hello,
इस
ma'am.
इंटरव्यू में कंपनी करेंगे। आप करनाल से हैं
जी सर।
मैडम, सोनीपत से हैं, एंड बी आस्किंग यू सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस।
जी सर।
ओके, सबसे पहले हरबीर, आई वांट टू नो अबाउट योर अचीवमेंट्स प्लीज।
जी सर। My name is Harbir Kaur and I have various educational qualifications. I have done MCOM with 69% and B.Ed with 73% from KUK University.
Okay.
I have also done accounting technician course from ICAI.
Okay, and do you have any experience?
जी सर, I have almost taught students at PGT level for almost 8 months.
8 months. Okay, okay. So you must have taught some fund flow, cash flow related things.
जी सर।
So what is the importance of fund flow and cash flows?
जी सर, business include both cash. Without cash, nothing is possible in a business. So it gets important to know about the flows of the cash in the business, because no activity can be performed without cash. So we prepare for that cash and fund flow statement. So as to know cash flow statement, we prepare 3 types of cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, and cash flow from financing activities.
Okay.
जी सर।
Tell us about your place.
जी सर, I belong to Karnal, which is also known as Paris of Haryana.
Okay, why
Yes,
it is
sir.
called Paris?
Because it is prepared, it is being planned on the basis of latest technology.
What are your strengths?
Yes sir, I am optimistic and confident of my abilities and I am determined.
Okay, and can you tell me few qualities a teacher must inculcate?
जी सर, a teacher must be aware of his responsibilities. He must know about the psychology of the students, and an intelligent teacher should inculcate moral values in his students. His work is not only limited to the teaching and giving just homework. He should know how to boost morale of his students. A teacher can make a student a god or a devil, because a student is like a clay.
Right.
Education is like a magic, and I also want to spread that magic throughout the country with my teaching skills. And education is a field where a teacher, when gets to know that his student is working well in all the walks of the life, he all automatically gets rewarded.
That's great.
Yes sir.
Okay, you tell me that why you opted commerce as your career? Like we have lot many career options.
sir.
So ऐसा क्यों reason क्या रहा commerce ही आपने choose
Yes,
किया?
I have always remained a brilliant student during my school up to
Okay.
10th class. But at that time I got to know about various streams, like which are non-medical, medical, arts and commerce. But there was an instinct that I want to join commerce because there is also accounting problems. I love to solve accounting problems.
Okay.
So when I get to sit in the first class of accounts, I got that instinct that I am doing this. I am made for this. So I chose commerce for my future and I want to make career in it.
Okay, रेखा मैडम.
मैम कोई फेमस पर्सनालिटी जो आपके उस एरिया से बिलोंग करती
जी मैम, कल्पना चावला जो कि हमारे करनाल से ही बिलोंग करती हैं. शी वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया हु वेंट इनटू स्पेस. शी हैड डन एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग, and in Feb 2003, due to the crash of the space shuttle, she got died.
Okay.
And on her name there is a college called Kalpana Chawla Government Medical College, which is famous in whole of the India.
Okay. Can you tell me, Harbir, why we make budget?
जी सर, in every family we know that there is a limit of income, and therefore we get to know about the expenses and the income
Right.
sources. So for the country and for its better development, for its continuity, for various projects to be done to develop the country, we prepare budget. So in budget we include many kind of expenses. We spread various kind of ministries, which is spread in various kind of ministries. So budget is prepared.
Okay. And what is benefit of making balance sheet?
Yes sir, balance sheet is called as the picture of the business.
Okay.
Like, so where we get to know our assets, about our liabilities and about our capital. So where that balance sheet proves about the financial position of the organization.
Tell me something about your hobbies.
Yes sir, I love cooking and I love singing songs, and I also have keen interest in solving accounting problems.
Okay, what type of accounting problems you like to solve?
जी सर, from my peers I get to collect various type of accounting problems as they work in different organizations, like they working in MNCs. So I collect from them various kind of accounting problems which can be related to various subjects. We can say like in accounting there are various subjects like
Right.
taxation, like TDS types of things.
Okay, can you tell me what is capital expenditure?
जी सर, expenditure which is done for the long term, which is not done for the revenue, not done for 1 year, because there are certain expenditure whose revenue, whose benefit can be taken only for 1 year, but capital expenditure we get the benefit for long term.
Okay.
So we divide that we call that expenditure as capital expenditure.
And why you opted teaching profession?
जी सर, as teaching is a very noble profession,
Okay.
we all know. But when I sit in the class, when I used to be a student, I used to saw my teachers and how they are teaching. I love that thing.
Right.
So I want to stand at their place and teach students like that. I love teaching, so I want to make career in it. Also there are many monetary aspects we can say, but this is the noble profession to spread my knowledge that I have got during
Yes,
my
yes.
studies. So I want
And
to
I want to know about your family also.
yes, ours is a family of 5 members. My father works in banking sector, my mother works in taxation department. I have one elder sibling who also works with SBI.
Yes, madam, please.
मैम क्लास में जैसे नोटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, नोटी स्टूडेंट्स, उनको आप कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
जी मैम, जो नोटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स होंगे सबसे पहले तो मैं चेक करूंगी स्टूडेंट्स में कि कौन कौन है जो इनमें से नोटोरियस है. सो फिर मैं उनका थॉट जानना चाहूँगी कि वो नोटीनेस क्यों करते हैं क्लास
Right.
में. सो फिर अगर मुझे पता चलेगा कि इनका रीज़न क्या है तो मैं उस रीज़न को ट्राई करूँगी सॉल्व करने का और उनको जानने का और उनको इम्प्रूव करने का कि वो वैसी नोटीनेस क्लास में ना करें. उनको सबसे पहले समझाया जाएगा, फिर उसके बाद उनको और उन पर अटेंशन दी जाएगी कि उनको समझाया जा सके कि वो ऐसा ना करें.
What is business according to you?
Business, according to me, is an economic activity which is done on regular basis for the motive of profit earning. But we can't say that profit is the only motive of business, because it also gives employment opportunities to society. It also operates in the community. So there are many other benefits also.
Okay, what is the difference between commerce and economics?
Yes, economics is the study of being is the study, but whereas commerce relates to accounting and business studies.
And you know, commerce is a combination of practical and theory.
जी sir.
So which is your favorite?
My favorite is accounting.
Why?
Both are favorite, but my keen interest in solving just accounting problems.
Practicals.
Yes sir.
Why?
Because I love getting that when you get the final result, that is matching balance sheet, or you are getting the exact answer. So that heals me that I have solved this problem.
Okay, we are making ledger, we are making trial balance.
Yes, sir.
So what is the procedure like? First what?
Yes, there is a procedure which starts from recording the journal entry.
Okay.
First is recording, then we record in journal book, or there are various other subsidiary books also. Then we post it into ledger. Then there we prepared trial balance, and from there we prepare trading profit and loss account, and then balance sheet.
Any question, Rekha madam?
हाँ जी मैम, आगे क्लास में बच्चा है ना जो झूठ बोलता है और
जी।
वो पकड़ा गया है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, उसका क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है?
नहीं, सबसे पहले तो जो वो पकड़ा जाएगा तो मतलब मैं उसको एकदम से गिल्टी फील नहीं करवाऊंगी बहुत ज़्यादा कि वो एकदम से अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा डीमोरलाइज फील करे. सबसे पहले उसको अलग से ले जाकर उसको पूछूंगी कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया,
बिल्कुल।
क्या रीज़न था कि उसको झूठ बोलना पड़ा, और ऐसी क्या चीज़ थी जिसने उसको मोटिवेट किया कि वो झूठ बोले, क्योंकि झूठ बोलना एक बहुत ही गलत चीज़ है. इसीलिए फिर अगर
हैबिट फॉर्मिंग
उसको अपने से मतलब उसको सेटिस्फाई करके कि उसको अच्छे से समझाया जाएगा कि वो रीज़न बता सके, और उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करूँगी कि वो आगे से झूठ तो बिल्कुल ही ना बोले.
Okay.
हाँ जी सर.
Harbir means what?
Harbir means warrior of God.
Okay.
जी
So
sir.
are you similar to your name?
Yes sir, I
How?
am very much similar to name, because I help others and I enlighten them with my positive thought, and I love making them comfortable in my in my personality values.
Tell me about your state, Haryana.
जी सर, हरियाणा इज़ Haryana was established on 1st November 1966.
Okay.
It was separated from Punjab because on the basis of language it got separated from that. At that time there were only 7 cities.
Okay.
Yes sir. But at present there are 22 cities, and Haryana there are very
Who is the CM of Haryana?
Manohar Lal Khattar.
And what is the population?
Population I don't know, sir.
Roughly?
You know?
to 32 lakhs something.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
And literacy rate, you are knowing about it?
Yes sir, 86% I guess.
Okay, okay. Okay, wonderful. You have answered very well all the answers.
Thank
okay,
you,
my
sir.
blessings to you. Keep it up.
Thank you sir.